I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both surfaces. This is where strength begins. Clean metal with a degreaser and remove rust or paint until you see bare metal. Once done, sand plastic with 120-220 grit to create a mechanical key. Make sure to test fit parts and measure gaps. Aim for 0. 5 to 2 mm clearance if using adhesives. If alignment needs help, clamp lightly or mark reference points. These actions determine how well glue or fasteners will bond later. You now pick the right joining method based on materials and load. For thermoplastics, use plastic welding with controlled heat and a primer. For dissimilar combos, choose a 2-part epoxy or structural adhesive rated for plastics to metal. Once chosen, mix adhesive precisely and apply a 1 to 2 mm bead, pressing to avoid air pockets. For mechanical fasteners, pre-drill and use washers. Make sure to clamp parts during cure. Curing time and temperature control final bonds strength. You finish by trimming excess adhesive, sanding edges smooth, and sealing or painting to protect the joint from moisture and UV. Once cured, inspect closely for dry spots, gaps, or incomplete bonding, then perform gradual load testing rather than a single shock. If the joint fails, troubleshoot methodically. Confirm surface prep quality, verify adhesive compatibility with both materials, and review cure temperature and time. Adjust one variable at a time and retry. Often prep or cure issues cause most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.